get comfortable. It doesn't matter if you're sitting down or if you're lying down. Just find a position that's comfortable for you. And take a few deep breaths. And notice what's going on in your mind. Don't try to think about anything, and don't try to not think about anything. Just notice what's happening. Notice if your mind is jumping around from one thing to another thing. Notice if you're fixated on a certain thought or a sound or an idea. And don't try to change anything. Just notice what's going on in your mind. And once you notice what's really going on in your mind, move your attention consciously to your breath. Feel how that breath feels in your body. Feel your stomach move and your chest rise and fall. Feel the ribs, both in front and in back, move. Feel that breath in your throat, in your lungs, in your sinuses, and feel that breath where it first enters your body, either at the lips or at the nostrils. And just start focusing on the texture and the quality and the feel of that breath. And whenever you notice your thoughts returning back to your mind, move them back to your breath, the sound, the taste, the feel. And just allow yourself time to be with your own breath and with your own mind. And don't try to change anything, just notice what's happening. And some days it will be so easy to notice the breath. Some days it will feel so good. And other days it'll be more challenging. And you'll find yourself returning to your mind. But either way, just notice what's going on for you. No right, no wrong. It's all about noticing. And as you're noticing that breath, become aware of your heart, your heartbeat, your heart energy. And I just want you to sense or imagine the energy that's coming out of your heart. And if you like to, you can put your hand on your heart and feel where that energy is coming from. And just notice. And as you are focusing on the breath and as you are focusing on the heart, notice how pure and how clear your energy field feels. Starting with your head, become aware of that space 1 inch around your body. Notice it from the top of your head coming over your forehead, and be aware of that space 1 inch away from your forehead and your temples and your cheeks and your chin. and your shoulders, and your arms, and your waist, and your belly. And if you want to move one hand down to your belly or both hands down to your belly, that's fine. And your hips and your legs. And feel all of that space 1 inch around your body. And breathe into that energy field, into that space 1 inch around your body, and just feel that area all around your body. Not connected to anyone or anything. Not heavy or dark or negative. Just light, positive, powerfully charged space. And breathe into that space. So now your breath moves from your lungs down through your heart and down through your entire body and out your body, and that breath is contained in that 1 inch space all around your body. And that 1 inch space and the purity of that 1 inch space provides a cushion of positivity, of light, of joy, of protection in everything that you do all day and all night. Breathe into that space. Feel the heart and the breath and the energy and the pure positivity that surrounds you. And know that you can keep this with you all day. And if you ever need to return to this space, this pure energy, this place of positive love, light, power, and protection, all you need to do is become aware of those thoughts, become aware of that breath, and become aware of this space all around you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, but still feel that space around you. Still feel the heart and the breath and the positivity and the light and the love that surrounds every inch of your body. Front, back, top, bottom. Spend as much time as you want right now just basking in the glow of that positive energy. And then when you're ready, take one last long, deep breath in, out, and you're ready for the rest of your day.